Welcome to our exploration of the journey from a small start to a successful business in the realm of wooden furniture and decorative pieces. In an ever-evolving market, entrepreneurs have the opportunity to create unique offerings that not only enhance living spaces but also resonate deeply with consumers. This guide aims to illuminate the essential strategies and considerations that can transform a fledgling venture into a thriving brand. As we navigate through the key elements of building a successful business, we will emphasize the importance of understanding your audience, crafting a compelling brand identity, and delivering exceptional customer experiences. Building a business in the home decor industry, particularly with wooden pieces, requires more than just a passion for design. It demands a strategic approach to product selection and marketing. Entrepreneurs must carefully curate a collection that reflects current trends while also standing out in a crowded marketplace. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and sustainable practices, businesses can appeal to modern consumers who value authenticity and environmental responsibility. Throughout this journey, we will highlight the significance of adaptability, collaboration, and a commitment to continual learning, all of which are vital in navigating the challenges and opportunities that arise in the quest for success. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We encourage you to stay tuned until the end of each video, as we bring you valuable insights and inspiration daily. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content with friends and family who might also appreciate our focus on wooden furniture and decorative pieces. Your support helps us grow and continue providing quality content that enhances your home decor experience. The journey from a small startup to a thriving business is often marked by strategic decisions, creative vision, and an unwavering commitment to quality. In the world of home decor, particularly with wooden furniture and decorative pieces, entrepreneurs have a unique opportunity to blend artistry with functionality. This sector appeals to consumers who are looking for items that not only serve a purpose but also enhance the aesthetic of their living spaces. The initial steps of establishing a brand can be daunting, but with a clear vision and understanding of the market, small businesses can position themselves for success. The foundation of any successful business lies in identifying a target audience. Understanding who will purchase your products is crucial for crafting a marketing strategy that resonates. In the case of wooden furniture and decor, potential customers often include homeowners, interior designers, and businesses looking to create inviting spaces. Conducting market research helps entrepreneurs gain insights into consumer preferences, trends, and purchasing behaviors. This information can guide product development and marketing efforts, ensuring that offerings align with what customers desire. By focusing on the specific needs and tastes of their audience, businesses can create a loyal customer base that values their products. Once a target market is identified, the next step is to build a brand identity that speaks to those consumers. This involves more than just a logo or a catchy tagline. It encompasses the overall aesthetic, values, and mission of the business. A strong brand identity conveys a sense of trust and quality, which is especially important in the home decor industry. Consumers are often willing to invest in pieces that reflect their personal style and values, so creating a cohesive brand story that highlights craftsmanship, sustainability, and design philosophy can significantly enhance a business's appeal. By sharing the journey of the brand and the inspiration behind each collection, entrepreneurs can foster a deeper connection with potential customers. In addition to brand identity, the product selection plays a pivotal role in the success of a business. Entrepreneurs should curate a diverse range of offerings that complement various design styles and preferences. This could include everything from minimalist designs to more ornate pieces, catering to a broad spectrum of tastes. A well-rounded product line not only attracts a more extensive customer base but also encourages cross-selling opportunities. For instance, customers who purchase a piece of furniture may also be interested in decorative items that enhance their overall decor. This interconnectedness in product offerings can drive sales and enhance the shopping experience. Marketing strategies are essential for reaching potential customers and driving sales. In today's digital age, a robust online presence is crucial. This includes a well-designed website that showcases products clearly and attractively, as well as active social media profiles that engage with audiences. High-quality imagery and compelling storytelling can make a significant impact in showcasing the beauty and functionality of wooden furniture and decor. Utilizing platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, which are heavily visual, can help businesses reach design-savvy consumers who are looking for inspiration. Additionally, leveraging email marketing can keep customers informed about new arrivals, promotions, and design tips, helping to maintain engagement over time. As a business grows, it is essential to focus on customer service. Exceptional customer service can set a brand apart from competitors and foster loyalty. This includes not only addressing inquiries and resolving issues promptly but also going the extra mile to create memorable experiences. Personal touches, such as handwritten thank you notes or follow-up emails post-purchase, can leave a lasting impression. Customers who feel valued are more likely to return and recommend the brand to others. Building a community around the brand, where customers can share their experiences and showcase their purchases, can further enhance loyalty and create advocates for the business. Incorporating sustainability into the business model is increasingly important in today's market. Many consumers are now making purchasing decisions based on ethical considerations, including the environmental impact of their choices. By prioritizing sustainable practices, such as sourcing materials responsibly and minimizing waste, businesses can appeal to this conscious consumer base. Transparency in production processes and showcasing eco-friendly initiatives can also enhance brand credibility. Not only does this align with consumer values, but it can also attract a niche market willing to pay a premium for sustainable products. Networking and collaboration can also play a significant role in the growth of a small business. Forming partnerships with local artisans, designers, or even other businesses can create mutually beneficial opportunities. Collaborations can lead to co-branded collections or joint marketing efforts that increase visibility for both parties. Participating in local markets, fairs, or trade shows can also provide valuable exposure, allowing businesses to connect directly with consumers and receive immediate feedback on offerings. These interactions can provide insights that inform future product development and marketing strategies. As the business landscape evolves, staying adaptable is key to long-term success. Trends in interior design can shift rapidly, influenced by cultural changes, technological advancements, and consumer preferences. Keeping a pulse on these developments allows businesses to pivot and innovate, ensuring that their offerings remain relevant and appealing. This might involve experimenting with new designs, incorporating technology for smart furniture solutions, or exploring new materials that align with evolving consumer expectations. An agile approach enables businesses to respond to challenges and seize opportunities as they arise. Investing in employee development is another crucial factor in fostering a successful business. A motivated and knowledgeable team can significantly contribute to the overall performance and customer experience of the brand. Providing training and opportunities for professional growth not only enhances the skill set of employees but also boosts morale and job satisfaction. A positive workplace culture that encourages creativity and collaboration can lead to innovative ideas and improved customer service, ultimately driving business success. Financial management is a critical aspect of business growth that should not be overlooked. Entrepreneurs must develop a clear understanding of their financial health, including cash flow, operating expenses, and profit margins. Creating a budget and regularly reviewing financial performance can help identify areas for improvement and ensure that the business remains sustainable. Seeking advice from financial advisors or investing in accounting software can provide valuable insights and support informed decision-making as the business expands. As entrepreneurs embark on their journey to build a successful business, one of the most crucial elements is establishing a solid foundation. This foundation is built on a clear vision and mission that guides every decision made along the way. A well-defined vision not only serves as a roadmap for the business but also inspires and motivates both the team and stakeholders. When everyone understands the overarching goals and values, it fosters a cohesive environment where everyone is aligned toward common objectives. This unity is essential, especially during challenging times when perseverance and focus are required to overcome obstacles. An integral part of this journey involves understanding the market landscape and identifying the unique value proposition that sets the business apart from competitors. Conducting thorough market research can reveal gaps in the market and opportunities for innovation. Entrepreneurs must pay attention to consumer trends, preferences, and feedback to create products that resonate with their target audience. This ongoing research enables businesses to adapt and evolve, ensuring that their offerings remain relevant and appealing. By staying attuned to the market, entrepreneurs can position their brand strategically and make informed decisions that drive growth. Another key aspect of building a successful business lies in nurturing relationships with customers. Establishing trust and rapport with consumers can significantly impact brand loyalty and retention. Providing exceptional customer service is paramount. It not only addresses customer needs but also creates a positive experience that encourages repeat business. Engaging with customers through various channels, whether online or in person, allows businesses to gather valuable feedback that can inform product development and improve overall service. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, companies can build a strong community of advocates who will champion the brand and share their experiences with others. As the business begins to grow, it is essential to focus on effective marketing strategies that amplify brand visibility. A well-crafted marketing plan should encompass both online and offline tactics to reach a diverse audience. Utilizing social media platforms, email marketing, and content creation can help engage potential customers and showcase the unique aspects of the brand. Moreover, collaborating with influencers or local businesses can expand reach and introduce the brand to new customer segments. Crafting compelling narratives around the brand and its products can enhance emotional connections with consumers, making them more likely to choose your offerings over others. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content valuable and inspiring. Your engagement means the world to us, and we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and insights about wooden furniture and decorative pieces. By liking and sharing our videos, you help us reach a wider audience and continue to create content that enhances your home decor journey. We're committed to bringing you fresh ideas and tips, so stay connected with us as we explore the beautiful world of design together. Your involvement makes a significant difference, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.